future engineers. I'm Vaishnavi, and together we're about to launch your career.
Right here at M CAD Solutions, we transform ambition into expertise and expertise into real engineering success.
A degree opens the door, but skills are what keep you in the room. At M CAD Solutions, CAD skills transform into real industry success. Skills that connect CAD with industry, shaping real solutions that drive innovation. Success is built by action, never by excuses. Your entire course is right here on the app. Learning made effortless, anytime, anywhere. Here, everyone supports each other to succeed. Companies hire skills, not excuses. Take your first opportunity, then grow from there.
Be ready to move, work, and learn. At home, your first job is for growth, not for comfort.
This isn't just about learning, it's about getting hired. Your career launchpad starts here. Ready to design your future? Visit our website and take your first step today.